mój Boże.
Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to change oil in Toyota RAV4. This guide applies to RAV4 models from 2013 to 2018. Let's get started. First of all, let's gather supplies and tools. You will need oil, you will need oil filter, oil drain plug gasket, wrench or socket set, 40mm socket, 3/4 ratchet, oil filter wrench, drain pen, and maybe gloves. Open oil cap, air go inside and oil will drain out more easily. Check this picture to see locations of oil filter and drain plug. Place drain pan under the drain plug, then use wrench to loosen the drain plug. Be careful, oil may be hot, and once loosen, remove the drain plug and let the oil drain into the pan. Now we're going to remove the oil filter, but first we need to loosen this filter cap to drain remaining oil from the filter first. We will use this plastic adapter that comes with oil filter to drain remaining oil. To remove filter, we need this filter wrench. I put link in the description. Loosen the filter and remove it. Now we're going to replace old gaskets on the oil filter housing with new ones. We'll put a little bit oil on gaskets and then we'll put a new one on the oil housing. Also insert new filter. And put another gasket on the bottom cover. Now we put oil filter back and tighten it using torque wrench to 25 Newton meters. Here you can see optional step. And now we're going to put drain plug back, clean it a little bit, insert it and tighten it to 20 Newton meters. Oh, and now something surprise happens. We forgot to close oil and can drop on site and some oil leaks. Now we're going to add 4.7 quarts of oil into the engine. After oil is in, let it settle for a couple of minutes and then use oil dipstick to check oil level. Mark should be in the middle between min and max levels. Checking that everything works perfect. And we're done. We changed our oil. Thank you for watching. Start engine, press button twice, don't press on brake. Use navigation buttons on steering wheel. And select cog in the top menu. After cog menu is selected, scroll down using down button to the vehicle settings. Enter and then select schedule maintenance and you will see option to reset data. Choose yes. and you are done. Your data has been reset. Maintenance lights should be off.